the word each to refer to every individual in a group and each person, each student, each member. And each person was given a ticket to enter the event. The teacher gave a task to each student in the class. And each member of the team played an important role in the project to indicate a particular item or element, each day, each week, each year. And he practices piano each day to improve his skills. And then the company holds a meeting each week to review progress. And then we celebrate Christmas each year with a family gathering to express a division or distribution among individuals. And each side, each part, each share, each side of the argument has valid points. And each part of the report must be thoroughly reviewed. They will receive each share of the profits equally to emphasize the individual nature of something. Each time, each opportunity, each moment, each time he visits brings a gift. Each opportunity to learn should be valued. We should cherish each moment spent with family to indicate sequence or repetition, each time, every time, after each. Each time I try, I improve slightly. Every time she speaks, she captivates the audience. The instructions should be followed after each step.